Hello, my name is Zubair Barry and I'm the founder and the Academic Director of the Future Doctors Australia program. The Future Doctors Australia program is designed to provide an opportunity for aspiring future medical students and thereafter doctors to find out more about the industry. The program goes over 4 days and it's designed to teach students about the journey into medicine. As well as senior NIE Careers staff, you will be joined with medical students and senior specialists from various areas of medicine. Over the 4 days of the program, students will also learn about the selection criteria to get into medical and dental degrees. This includes finding out about tests like the UCAT, finding out a little bit about the interview process, and learning some fundamental skills that they require to pass these selection processes. Some of the skills that you will be learning during the program may include things like vein puncture, suturing, taking someone's blood pressure, listening to someone's breathing, performing a general examination on a patient-practitioner interaction skills. These can be covered during the program to show you what it's like to be a doctor and work in the industry. An additional bonus of the program is that you will meet and make like-minded friends. You will be able to stay in contact and tackle the journey together. The Future Doctors Australia program is only run in Brisbane, Melbourne and Sydney, and we have limited sessions per year as it needs to be run during school holidays. So to secure your spot, please go to niecareers.com.au and place your order. For more information, you can call me direct on 0412 439 115. That phone number again, 0412 439 115. My name is Zubair Barry and I'm the Academic Director of the Future Doctors Australia program.